We are going to start with installing dimmer in a single pole application. Shine-Decor dimmer can easily be installed in under 15 minutes and require only a screwdriver, a pair of pliers, and a piece of electrical tape, a non-contact voltage tester. Find the circuit breaker for the circuit controlling the switch and light fixture and flip it off. Confirm that you've turned off power to the correct light switch at the breaker box by flipping the wall switch on and off, or use a non-contact voltage tester. Use a screwdriver to remove the two screws holding the outer switch plate and then unscrew the mounting screws on the old switch. Identify wires on your old switch, as wire colors may vary. The black wire connected to the brass terminal is the line wire, which refers to the wire coming from the power source. The other black or red wire attached to the second brass terminal is the load wire, which refers to the wire leading to the light fixture. In a single pole configuration, the line wire and load wire are interchangeable. The copper wire connected to the green screw terminal serves as the ground wire. If two wire connected to the same screw, make sure they remain connected. Detach the wires by loosening the screw terminals on the side of the switch and pulling the wires free. 1. Connect the green dimmer wire to the copper ground box wire. Twist wires together under a wire nut. 2. Connect the black dimmer wire to the one black line-in box wire. 3. Connect the red dimmer wire, without a tag, to the one black loadout box wire. 4. Use a wire nut to cap off the remaining red dimmer wire with a tag. 5. Then wrap all the wire nuts with electrical tape. Carefully fold the wires and tuck them into the box. Screw the dimmer switch onto the electrical box. Then turn the power back on at the breaker. Manually adjust the trim wheel to adjust the dimming range of your dimmer to optimize dimming performance. Attach the white cover plate to complete the installation